Hi everyone, I'm Josh. 欢迎回到中文播客。
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica, and welcome back to ChinesePod. Today we have another grammar lesson for you. We're going to be looking at one of the most underrated, but I think super important elements of learning a new language, and that is how to sound like a native speaker, the dream.
没错，今天我们要学3种不同的短语，的不得了，的很，还有死了，让你的中文听起来更地道。
Right, so today we're going to look at 3 basic structures to really help you not only sound like a native speaker, but to express yourself more organically or more accurately. I know myself, when I'm learning a new language, one of the big challenges is that when I'm using adjectives to describe how I'm feeling, sometimes I feel a little bit limited by my vocabulary.
对。
So for example, instead of saying like, I'm very happy or 我很开心, we can say,
你可以说我开心的不得了。
Right, so that's like saying, you're still using the same adjective, 开心, but you're saying, I'm so happy or I'm ecstatic. Or for example, I'm very sad. It sounds kind of flat, right? I'm very sad. We can say,
我难过死了。
I'm so sad I could die. So it's a little bit more sincere or dramatic, and it's a fun way to learn how to make your vocabulary a bit more colorful.
让我们开始吧。
Let's get started. So our first grammar structure is adjective plus 得不得了。
所以我们常常听到今天非常冷，但是如果你想要听起来更地道的话，你会说今天冷得不得了。
Right, so we'll often hear 非常冷, which just means today is very cold, right? But if you want to make it more extreme and you really want to sound more sincere, you would say 今天冷得不得了. Today is freezing. Today is so cold.
没错，比如说你跟朋友出去，你会跟朋友说啊，今天冷得不得了，好险你帮我带件衣服。
Right, so in a situation where you would use this, could be you're out with your friends and your friend gave you a clothes or a jacket to warm you up. So you're like, oh, it's so freezing today. Thank you so much. Thank goodness you brought me that jacket.
没错。
Another sample where we would need to use something where we want to really show our sincere, genuine opinion could be what scenario?
比如说同事给我们煮饭吃。
Okay, so maybe our colleagues are cooking for us and we want to comment on the quality of the food.
这时候你会说啊，今天的晚餐真的是好吃的不得了。
Okay, so you want to say it's so good, but you don't just want to say 很好吃, it's tasty, right? Oh yeah, it's pretty good, it's tasty. You want to say 好吃的不得了, it's delicious, it's amazing, incredible. Okay.
或者是去约会怎么样？
Okay, so you're on a date and you want to know how is that going, or you want to say something to the person that you're on a date with. What can you say?
比如说是一个女生，你当然可以说啊，今天你真是美。
Okay, so you want to say, today you look really beautiful. But instead of just saying you look really beautiful, you want to sound a bit more colorful or more dramatic. You can say,
今天你真的美得不得了。
you look so beautiful today. You look gorgeous.
如果是一个男孩的话，
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So, visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.